Hello, my artsy fartsy creatives. It's been a little while. I've been jonesing to get back to creating and sharing with y'all. I just have not been feeling well at all. I've been struggling with my own, just my own challenges and my health and the MS, and heart issues and lung issues, and trying not to be sick. But you know how that goes. So, this is something I've been wanting to try. I got this really, the cheap gold foil. If well, on Wish it was listed as what is that, gold leaf, and I've worked with gold leaf before in the past, a long time ago. Excuse me, but the what came was just some like little gold foils, and of course no instructions, and so I'm just gonna try to figure out here what to do with it. You'll see here in a little bit, and what I thought was what I would have to do didn't turn out, but it's okay because I'm gonna try it for something else here coming up. But this this is what happened when I tried to do it. So it's just a short one. Hang with me, and then the next one I think is that we'll do some playing around with it. Okay. Good to see you guys again. Mm, I'm so appreciative, so thankful for all of your support and your encouragement, and I enjoy watching all of your videos, and um, I've been kind of in touch that way. So, anyway, no more blabbing. I'll talk to you later. Bye.
What is going on?
Oh, I just couldn't figure out why is this not working. So, if you guys have an idea on how to work with this material, Steve is thinking that maybe I should turn it the other way, the flip it over and do it the gold side down and have it stick that way. And I will maybe try that here on another piece after I get to play with this, how this one turns out anyway. I'm just like, forget it. Just glue it on there. Just stick on there and stay there and I'll be happy. I'm going to paint over you anyway. So yeah, leave me a comment or an idea on how you think that we need to work with this material. Oh goodness. Okay, bye.